Ford has just launched a direct warhead at the Cadillac Escalade and Lincoln Navigator, and the luxury SUV market will never be the same again. For decades, the Ford Expedition was seen as the dependable, rugged family hauler destined for soccer practices and road trips, while its upscale siblings took all the glory. But for the new model year, Ford has completely torn up the blueprint, transforming their iconic full-size truck into a rolling masterpiece of pure, unadulterated opulence. They have injected it with ultra-premium tech, high-end materials, and a level of presence that makes six-figure European luxury trucks look incredibly basic. Yet, hidden beneath this glittering new exterior of the redesigned flagship lies a highly controversial design decision. Ford engineers have made a radical gamble with the vehicle's powertrain and interior configuration, a hidden choice that has already left loyal truck enthusiasts absolutely furious and divided. We are going to reveal exactly what this shocking feature is and why it might destroy the truck's legendary reputation at the very end of this video. But first, you need to see how Ford completely redefined what an American luxury SUV can be. The moment you see this massive machine coming down the road, you instantly realize it is no longer just a standard family cruiser. The front end features a completely re-engineered, imposing grille, flanked by sleek, continuous LED lighting that wraps around the entire fascia, giving it a menacing, futuristic stance. The proportions are bolder, the lines are sharper, and the massive, available 24-inch wheels give it the aggressive, commanding curb appeal usually reserved for custom-built celebrity SUVs. Ford didn't just give this vehicle a minor facelift, they sculpted a command center on wheels designed to turn heads outside every high-end hotel and valet parking lot in the country. When you open the heavy doors, the transformation becomes even more staggering as you step into a cabin that feels more like a private jet than a traditional sport utility vehicle. The dashboard is completely dominated by a breathtaking, pillar-to-pillar panoramic display screen that sweeps across the entire cabin, completely changing how driver and passenger interact with the vehicle. If you are loving this exclusive look at the future of American luxury, take a quick second right now to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button so you never miss our deep dives into the automotive world's biggest reveals. Surrounded by that gorgeous tech, your hands rest on open-pore, authentic wood trim and genuinely premium, supple leather seating that features built-in ventilation, heating, and advanced multi-contour massage functionality for those long interstate drives. Ford even introduced a revolutionary split-gate rear cargo system, allowing the lower portion of the tailgate to drop down like a rugged pickup truck bed, while the upper glass lifts, creating the ultimate luxury tailgating experience. Under the hood, the engineering team has fine-tuned a monstrously powerful engine, paired with an incredibly smart independent rear suspension system that actively irons out road imperfections before they ever reach the cabin. It drives with the effortless, whispering smoothness of a cloud, yet retains the heavy-duty towing capacity to haul massive boats or trailers without breaking a single sweat. It represents the absolute pinnacle of combining blue-collar capability with white-glove luxury, making it a genuinely terrifying threat to established premium brands. However, we must return to that deeply troubling gamble we mentioned at the start of the video, which is causing an absolute uproar among die-hard truck fans. In their desperate bid to maximize digital real estate and force a ultra-futuristic aesthetic, Ford has completely eliminated traditional physical buttons for the climate controls, drive modes, and even the gear shifter, integrating them entirely into the massive digital screen. Even worse, they have restricted the heavy-duty off-road mechanical locking differentials to a single, hyper-expensive trim level, meaning buyers spending massive money on the standard luxury packages are completely locked out of the rugged, go-anywhere capability that made the original Expedition an icon. Ford created a stunning tech masterpiece, but by sacrificing tactile reliability and traditional mechanical grit for pure digital luxury, they may have just alienated the very truck buyers who built their empire.